The quiz channels are very popular all over the world. There are so many quiz channels on YouTube that are making substantial money. You can also make this kind of quiz channel. And in today's video, I will share the method of making quiz videos with the help of AI. So without further ado, let's dive in. There are so many ways to make quiz videos. You can collect data or questions and answers from the internet, then create templates with Canva, set the answer, and make the video. It takes a huge time and effort. You have to work a lot to make quiz videos in this method. Though with the help of an AI tool called Vesub, you can now create quiz videos in just a few clicks in a fully automated process. Today, I'm going to share the step-by-step method of making the quiz videos with Vesub. I will put the link in the pinned comment. So head over there and click on the link. This is the Vsub homepage. You can now create faceless videos in seconds with Vsub AI. First of all, create an account. I already have an account, so I am logging in. Once you successfully log in, your interface will look like this. Here you will find some tools or features to create your video. All of them have various uses. If you scroll down, you will notice some of my previous projects I created on Vesub. Okay, let's head over to the quiz video creation. Select the quiz tool from here. This is the quiz video generator interface. First of all, we have to select the video language. You can create videos in more than 40 languages on Vesub. Major speaking languages are available here. As I want to generate a quiz video in English, I'm selecting English as my language. Next, you will find the video templates. The first one is standard, and the second one is multi-level. In the standard templates, your video will be like this.
Which event marked the beginning of World War II? B. Invasion of Poland.
And in the multi-level templates, you will get a video like this.
What is the tallest mountain in the world? Mount Everest.
Now select your preferred style or template. I will go with the standard template. Next, here we have to enter the quiz questions and answers. You can add manually or generate questions and answers with Vesub. First, let's generate some questions with Vesub. Click on the Generate Question button from here. A new pop-up will appear. Here we just have to enter the question language and then the topic in this box. You can generate questions on any topic. Just type the topic name on this box. For example, I am typing World War II and then hit the OK button. And here it is. You can see Vesub generates 10 questions for us. Every question has the correct answer with 2 other incorrect answers. You can delete or add new questions to the video. Let's see how we can add new questions to our video. To do that, we have to click on the Add Item button. A new line will be added. Here we have to add the question, and this is the box for the answer. Now the question is how we can generate unlimited quizzes. The answer is using ChatGPT. Simply log into your ChatGPT account and head over to the prompt box. I am giving a prompt as imagine you are a teacher and you teach general knowledge. I would like to prepare a set of 15 questions in a tabular format with 2 incorrect answers and a correct one. Mix the answers to be anywhere between A, B, and C. Then I added some instructions about the quiz table. I will put the prompt in the description box. You can see ChatGPT gives us a set of 30 quizzes in a table and gives the correct answer at the bottom of the table. Now you can copy questions and answers and then use them on Vesub. For example, I am copying this question and then pasting it into the Vesub question box. Now another thing you may notice. Here we have only one box for answers, but we generate 3 answers, and our previous Vesub generated questions also have 3 answers. To solve this issue, click on this plus icon to create a new answer box. Alright, now copy the answers and paste them into the boxes. After pasting the answer, we have to select the correct answer. In this question, 1945 is the correct answer, and the correct answer is marked as 1945. So we don't need to change it. Okay, let's add another item. After creating the line, add the question in the question box and then add the answer one by one. In this question, the right answer is Hiroshima, but the right answer is marked as Nagasika. So we need to change it this time. In this method, you can add unlimited MCQ questions. Alright, our questions are ready. Now come to the Settings tab. Here first, the voice setting. On Vesub, you can generate voiceover with OpenAI, Amazon Ploy, and the most famous 11 Labs. I will go with the 11 Labs. After selecting the platform, listen to some of the voice actors and then select the best one that fits your video. The next option is the background image. You can add background images to your quiz video. There are two options. The first one is automatic, and the second one is a custom option. I will suggest going with the custom option. Enter a prompt related to your video topic. Okay, next the question image option. You can add related images for every question. This will make the video more engaging. I will keep it on. After all is set, hit the continue button. Now Vesub will generate the voiceover, related image, and transcribe the comments to make the video. It will take some time. Let's first forward this part. And here it is. Our video is ready. Let's have a look.
Which event sparked the beginning of World War II? A. The invasion of Poland. Who was the leader of Germany during World War II? C. Adolf Hitler.
I think it's a good quiz video. Now you can download the video or customize it to make it more perfect. Let's have a look. First of all, I think the background video is destructive. So I will disable the background video. On the top of the quiz setting, you will find the option for background video. Now you can notice that images are coming in the background. It's looking great. Okay, next, the voice setting. Here you can customize the voice speed, pitch, and volume. In my case, it's perfect. So I won't change anything. But I will customize the question, answer, and other text's font, color, background, and box setting. You will find every option here separately. To get the best result, play around them. After completing the quiz setting, come to the content setting. Here you will be able to regenerate images for background and question images for every MCQ quiz question. This time I am skipping, but you can play around with them. In the end, you will find the video setting. This option is basically for background video. You can upload a new video clip or select from here. But as we don't use the background video, we don't need to do anything here. Okay, on this music tab, you can add background music to your video. In this tool tab, you can upload and add your custom logo to the video. Alright, after all is set, hit the download button from here to download the video. It will take some time to render the video. And here it is. Our video is ready. Let's have a look.
Which event marked the beginning of World War II? B. Invasion of Poland. Which country was not part of the Axis powers during World War II? B. France. Which battle is often considered the turning point of World War II in Europe? A. Battle of Stalingrad. Who was the leader of Nazi Germany during World War II? C. Adolf Hitler. Which country was not part of the Allied powers during World War II? D. Italy. Which event led to the United States' entry into World War II? C. Attack on Pearl Harbor. What was the code name for the Allied invasion of Normandy, France in 1944? B. Operation Overlord. Which country suffered the most casualties during World War II? C. Soviet Union.
In this way, you can create unlimited MCQ quiz videos with Vesub. Not only that, but with this awesome AI video generator, you can add auto captions to your existing video, create Reddit story videos, would you rather videos, AI shorts videos, and fake text videos. If you want a detailed video on all of these features, let me know in the comments section. I will make another video. Alright friends, I will wrap up our video now. Before that, I would love to hear about your experience of creating MCQ quiz videos with Vesub AI. Share your thoughts and results in the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating.